Hi friends, this world is full of strange things, isn't it? We all are a part of this world. We all know, there are so many things to be explored in this world, and that's the reason I went for this particular section facts. I know on the internet you can get a lot of facts, but I have picked up facts which are fascinating, which are really interesting, and I am sure it will increase your knowledge also. So let's start with a set. Here is the first one. The world, we think we have discovered, everything is discovered, everything is explored, but wait a second. Have you seen the world's smallest reptile? If I ask you which one is the world's smallest reptile, do you know the answer? Some people will say this, some people will say that, but wait. The smallest reptile is known as the itty bitty chameleon, and they recently discovered it in Madagascar in 2021 only. Look at the size in that photo. It is just 28.9 millimeters. Okay, so till now this on record is the smallest reptile in the world. Got it? Let's move to the next one. Wood frogs, which live in Alaska. Alaska, it's a region where snowfall occurs almost 8 to 9 months in a year. Okay. Now, these wood frogs, which are found in Alaska, they are known to hold their pee for around pee, that is urine, for around 8 months. Could you believe this? Yeah, they do so. But you know why and how? Their body is, made in such a way that they need to hold their urine in order to stay warm for those 8 months. Okay, because it's a long winter in Alaska. That is the reason they are built like that. Alright, next one. Hottest spot on earth. Hottest spot where it is unbearable heat. We might say this place or that place, but again, we are talking about the hottest spot ever recorded. It is El Ajijiya in Libya. It's a spot where the temperature recorded, once the temperature which was recorded in September 13, 1922. The year was 1922. Till now this is the highest temperature recorded, which was 136 degrees Fahrenheit. On record, this is the highest temperature ever recorded on earth. Got it? Next one. Only 2 mammals, okay, humans are mammals, only 2 mammals are there who like spicy food, humans and the tree shrew. Now tree shrew is a small, rat type rat type animal you will find, which lives on trees. Alright, according to research by Chinese scientists, which they have proved also, they like spicy food. So apart from human, they are the ones who like spicy foods. Next one. Safes. You have seen safes? The hat who is the wearer. It's a peculiar looking white hat you have seen, that is called torque. It has got 100 folds. Do you know why? That's because it is said, nobody knows who said this. It is said that 100 represents the number which says in 100 different ways you can cook an egg. So a chef can cook an egg in 100 different ways, and to represent that, the hat, the Turk, the traditional hat which is owned by the chefs, it has exactly 100 folds. Next one. Copper doorknobs. Doorknobs you have seen, some of them are made of copper. These copper doorknobs are self-disinfecting. Did you know this? they disinfect themselves. Their composition is in such a way that bacteria cannot live on copper doorknobs. So relax, don't worry, you don't have to sanitize your doorknob if it is made of copper, because it is self-healing, it can self-disinfect itself. And this is a study which was done by the National College of Kathmandu. Alright, next one, Madame Curie, Marie Curie, very famous, all of us know her. She is the only person who won 2 Nobel prizes in 2 different sciences. There are numerous scientists, there are many of them who have won 2 Nobel prizes, but she is still the only one who did it in 2 different disciplines of science. First, she won it in 1903 for physics, that she shared with her husband, as it is written over here. That was for spontaneous radiation, and then she won the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1911. Okay, and this was for radioactivity, which she did a work on. Alright, and here is a twist in this. Did you know this, friends? Marie Curie's notebooks, which are kept in museum, do you know that they are still radioactive? Because Marie Curie, she died because of this illness which she developed because of this research, entire research. You knew this? Alright, her books are still, her notebooks, her possessions or her belongings which are kept in museum are still radioactive. Wonderful, isn't it? Well, let's move on to the next one. English dictionary is full of words which are unique, words which are interesting. But do you know the word with the largest number of meanings? The word is set. It has around 464 different senses or different meanings, and still counting. It's not over yet, because 4 years back, around 4 years back, the number of words were around 430, number of meanings were around 432. So just imagine this word, it has got 464 different senses or meanings. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Chewing gums. Some of us love chewing gums. In 2013, they published a study in a British journal which said it boosts concentration. Now you understand why these players they chew gums, because they need to concentrate. Okay, you must have seen many players, many famous players. I have seen a player, Vivian Richards. He was one of the West Indies greats. He will always chew gums. Okay, and he was a wonderful batsman. Okay, now many modern day players also do the same. Alright, friends, let's move on to the next one. Now this one is interesting. National animal, when you say, you will say that our national animal is this, like Bangladesh has a different national animal, US has a different national animal. The only country which has taken it out of fairy tales is Scotland, because Scottish history belongs to this particular animal, which is only in fairy tales, that is unicorn. Look at this photo, unicorn having a single horn. Okay, this particular animal is a fairy tale animal. It does not exist in real, but this is the national animal of Scotland, because they believe in these fairy tales. They in their fables, in their famous fable, this creature is being mentioned. And apart from that, if you look through Google, you will find there is something called Loch Ness monster. People have all over the world, they have said, many places people have said they have witnessed this. Okay, but the origin was Scotland. Okay, Loch Ness monster found on seas. Okay, you can see the photographs also, it is there on Google. Nobody knows whether it is true or not, but Scotland proudly boasts. Alright, so friends, this was a set of interesting facts again for your knowledge. Okay, I hope you liked it. Meet you again with another set of fabulous facts. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.